The floors were sticky, the crowd was rough, and the odds were against us. But there was no stopping Donut Lord and the Blue Blur. Scratch another one off my list.
You are a weird little dude.
Of course, replied Thomas.
I mean, awesome.
Okay.
So what are we gonna do now?
I'm gonna pass out watching TV. I think you should too.
But this is my last night on Earth. I want to soak up every last second.
All right, well, anything you can find to do in this room, you knock yourself out.
Good times.
Oh, come on. Oh, that's awful. What did you eat?
I think it's called a chili dog.
You might want to check your fur on that one, buddy. Hey, so what's this next planet you're supposed to go to like?
It's no Earth, I can tell you that. There's no people, just breathable air and giant mushrooms and stuff.
Well, look at it this way. At least you won't be the only fun guy.
No, don't ever do that again.
I liked it.
I'm really gonna miss this place. I know I have to leave Earth to be safe, but what if Longclaw was wrong? Maybe I could have a life here.
All right. We should get some sleep.
You sleep. Don't worry about me. I'm gonna stay up all night enjoying Earth while I can.
Sure, kid. As long as we're on the road by 8.
Sunshine.
Wachowski, accused of committing an act of domestic terrorism. Wachowski is considered armed and dangerous. Any information regarding his whereabouts should be reported to local authorities immediately.
Did he say where he was going?
Maybe. Maybe not. Like I'd ever tell you.
Stand down, Agent Stone.
This well-meaning citizen obviously doesn't understand the urgency of the matter.
Really?
Now that's what I call good cop, bad cop.
Left herself open. Judging by the quickest route to San Francisco, the approximate speed of their vehicle, and local weather conditions, they should be right about here.
That's brilliant, sir.
Thanks.